Welcome to Autodesk Inventor Professional. Autodesk Inventor is a fantastic 3D modeling program for mechanical designs, virtually simulating and virtually testing your designs. This program has 4 main file types that it creates: parts, assemblies, drawings, and presentations. Now let's take a quick look at what each of those are. In Inventor, you create part files, which are single solid features. These solid features can be as simple or as complex as your design requires. You can take these features and you can combine them together into what are called assemblies. In your assemblies, you can see how everything will fit together. You can redesign as often as required without any cost to yourself. You can change the visual styles and the materials of each individual part until you have a product that you're happy with. When you're ready to share your product, you can take it and you can actually animate it in what are called presentations. Your presentations can create exploded views of your designs to show off the individual hidden components, and you can create video animations that you can share either in-house or out-of-house as required. You can render these as images or as videos so that you have high-quality product to share. In Inventor, you can directly create your drawings. Inventor uses what's called feature-based parametric modeling, which, if we break it down, basically means everything is connected. When you update a single part, it updates the assembly and it updates your drawings as well. So if I was to jump into my caster wheel design here and change any of the materials, without even touching this drawing, it would update to reflect any of those changes. This is an efficient design process and it is a huge time saver. Whether this is your first time with a 3D modeling program or you're moving from another program and taking that plunge to try using Autodesk Inventor, my goal is to create a series of videos that will help make that transition easier for you, help answer your questions, and get you started on the right foot with this program. Have fun!